Hi, I'm Kaylee. These are my cans, and this is my suppressor factory. We are, of course, called Kaylee's Cans, and we have one main goal. That is to make affordable suppressors for the hobbyist shooter. In fact, this is our first product right here. This is the Peas and Quiet. It's titanium, it's fully user serviceable, and it's gonna sell for about 200 bucks. But importantly, does it work? Let's see. All right, I'm gonna hold the slide closed. Basically, no first round pop. Now with no suppressor. God. Now for comparison, here's my favorite non-Kaylee's Can suppressor. It's a CGS Hydra. As you can tell, my $200 suppressor holds its own against a big name brand $300 suppressor that, by the way, is made with steel and aluminum, not titanium. But here's the thing. You cannot buy a Kaylee's Can right now because I'm not ready. I've been a machinist for over 10 years, so I know how to operate the machines. I know how to design these parts to work excellent together. But everything else is just, it's been torture. I hate paperwork. And did you know that having a federal firearms license to make these things is a lot of fucking paperwork? While I'm not ready to sell suppressors right now, I do have a website that I've built. It's kind of shitty, but I built it myself. It's called kayleescans.com, and it shows a bit more about the technology that I'm using, which is very traditional old school tech. I'm using stamping, metal forming, and just straight up lathe. It's a lathe with a milling machine built in. Here's one of the baffles that I've designed. It's a very simple stamped titanium baffle that could be done in just a couple of seconds on a progressive stage die system. This baffle right here, this is a failed design. This little side hole, it doesn't work that great. It straight up doesn't work that great. And this was about $5,000 worth of dies that I have purchased. I could reuse some of them, but I have to buy more dies. The dies I used to make this, scrap. What I'm saying is, it's a process. I'm gonna start sharing long and short form videos on both YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. I'm just gonna show what I'm doing. My request to you is check out my website, subscribe to whatever page you're watching this on. It really helps me out. And that's all I got. I hate not having a conclusion, but that's where we are. I'm in the middle of testing and I wanna bring you along with me, but it's a process.